Hi guys, in front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers of this device. So at first, let's open your phone dealer and enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And here we've got the whole device information. So if you wish to read serial or IMEI numbers, here they are. Then to exit this panel, click on OK. And you can also open both numbers via settings. So just reach settings, now find and select about phone, and here go to all specification. And now under model, you will be able to, actually not here, sorry, under status, you'll be able to read everything. So here you've got both IMEI numbers, and this model, this tab includes serial number. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.